How to adjust video brightness in CapCut PC. So if you want to adjust the video brightness in CapCut PC, then first open up your CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, now you can simply go for create project and you can import a project. So for example, I'll be choosing a project and open. Once you've opened, you need to simply drag that to the bottom and here you will have the video, right? So once you have the video, simply click on the video and here on the right side, upper right side, you will have adjustments. Tap on adjustments and if you scroll down here, you will have the temperature, tint, saturation, exposure, contrast, highlight and everything, right? So you can simply choose the options and then you can increase the brightness. Or you will also have the adjustments right here. You can also go with this adjustments and go for custom adjustment. And under the custom adjustment, click on the plus and you can scroll down and here you can adjust it. So that's how you can add a brightness or that's how you can adjust the brightness. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.